YouTube channel. I know it's been quite a long since I've posted any videos because I was a bit busy with my thesis, and all the sleepless nights have actually paved a really good results. You can also see some dark circles already. Okay, that's secondary, but yeah, in today's video I'm going to tell you guys a super duper amazing update. I recently went to a university. I met the officers there and they told me that I could give you guys this amazing news. Yes, so this news is especially for students who are applying to Vilnius University or visas to any universities in Lithuania from African countries. So, during our study program committee meetings, a lot of students have been telling that we have had a very tough situation due to the visa process, due to the lack of embassy in Africa. So our faculty, that is the Faculty of Economics and Business Administration, has done such a beautiful thing, has done such a great thing that they have communicated with the embassy which is in Egypt, the Lithuanian embassy which is in Egypt, and they have told that, see, these are the issues the students are facing. Could you please, make the visa process a bit easier? And then the embassy there has said that, they will do anything possible to make the visa process easier and smooth for our students. So this is an amazing update, guys. So I wanted to give you guys this good news and I'm like running out of breath here. But yeah, please do opt for the Embassy of Lithuania, which is in Egypt. And if you go there, I believe that all the officials will do their best to help you with any visa related queries. I know there are a couple of other embassies in Africa dealing with student visas as well, but I'm not sure about those embassies because the university's officials didn't speak to those different embassies. As far as I know, I just have an update that the Egyptian embassy, not Egyptian's embassy, but the Embassy of Lithuania, which is in Egypt, that is the prime source, and they will do everything to support the students and give the visa issued faster, because a lot of students have been telling about the number of days it takes for them to get a visa. Usually it's supposed to be 14 calendar days, but in some cases it might exceed. In my case, I got it like 25 days. So yeah, please do wait. Please do submit all your documents. Please do be truthful. Do not submit any false documents. Do not submit any fake documents, because that is the most of the case that visas are getting rejected. So please provide good documentations to the embassy, and I'm sure the Lithuanian embassy in Egypt will do everything possible for you guys. And I hope to have, and not just I, but the university also hopes to have a lot of African and other country nationals come here and study, because this is already an internationalized university. So yes, that is the update, and one more good thing that you can find my photos in our website, in the Faculty of Economics and Business Administration website. So if you go to the master's degree program and you click there, and then when you scroll down, you can see that if you're applying from India, you can contact Netra. So yes, I am officially in the website. Yes, so I'm so happy about it. And I also will be coming up with another good news as soon as possible. So stay tuned and please do subscribe and follow. And one more kind request to all of you is that I might not be able. One more thing, guys, I get a lot of messages from different people from different countries regarding the study in Lithuania, so I might not be able to reply to everyone, but I'm trying my level best to read all your messages and give you as much as information I could. So please do send me the entire description of what your situation is and what you want your help in, because sometimes I just like someone sends just hey, okay, hey, and then they say I saw your YouTube video. Then I'm like, okay. So you know, it's a lot of communication, and I actually have to take time to help all the students and answer to all the queries. So it would be really nice if you guys could like send me your situation and what you're seeking help in, and you know, all the information in one single text, so it's easy for me to like see and reply, because in that case I might not forget the correspondence. So that's it. I would say it's super nice weather here in Lithuania. It's so springy, it's super summery, and I hope you guys could all get your visas as soon as possible and you can come here and enjoy this lovely weather. And yeah, it's beach time. Okay then, see you all in my next video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Please. And congratulations to me and all of us that we have reached 1K subscribers. Anyways, just let me know if you need any help. Please make sure you send me your entire situation in one single text, and what you seek for, you know, the information you want, everything. I'm always here to help, guys. Facebook is the best way to communicate with me. I'm a bit active on Facebook. Emails, I rarely check it once a day, so you might have to wait for a couple of hours for me to reply. But yeah, I highly recommend Facebook. So yes, good luck to all the applicants who are applying for their visas, and yeah, see you in my next video soon. Until then, take care, love you all, and yeah, see you.